2, 1, 0.
Hi there, this is Saktivel welcoming you all to another episode of NumberRoyale. We've got a great match today, welcoming Kausalya, Star, Abhinesh, Shah, Ratna MJ, Deepu Vetri 18, Strange Thinker, Vanu, Chacha, You Know Me, P. Sanjay, Butch, KPMJ, Ritish, Haritashri, Panther, Birdie Flurry, and Numbers Guy. Welcome to each and every one of you. Glad you're all staying safe and healthy and are able to join us. We have the elimination match today, and for $5, whoever is standing tall after the 9 puzzles would be sharing the $5. All right. So the first 8 questions you can use a life, and the last one, of course, you would not be able to use a life. So make sure that you get the last one right. Of course, you need to get to the last one to be able to solve it. There are 2 lives that you can use. And let us, before we get started, I just wanted to touch base with you. It's a question, not a riddle, actually. You all know what GDP is, right? Gross domestic product. Any idea what the gross domestic product is of the US? If the whole world is 100%, what percentage of gross domestic product does the US have? Take a wild guess. You know we are very friendly here. You know that it's going to be between 0 and 100. Let's see. Social class also? Yeah, sure, why not? Toast says 34%. Any other guesses? So you're guessing it's about 1/3 of the US world GDP is 24% is more like it. Hariharan is guessing 50. Cash Nasty says 70%, 9%, 24. Yeah, 24. I was thinking about 22%. So roughly a quarter of the world's economic activity occurs in the US. All right. So we have Hariharan's gone 99%, and Eastman gives even more specific numbers, 21.44 trillion. So yeah, Cool Math's got 22. So roughly about 20 to 25% is what the GDP is. So we'll discuss the Indian GDP in various times during the history as we move on. And so anyways, we'll come to that as we move along in the show. And now China, you think, is 99%? No, China doesn't have a GDP that high yet, although they would love to have it, right? And every country wants to be the richest and want to have most of the GDP. But anyway, we wish everybody well, and I hope all the countries can raise the GDP up so that all of us can live in peace and prosperity. All right. So we're going to start the elimination match now. We're all set. And here we go. Question number 1. 8, 4, 2. Desired result is 2. Just addition and subtraction operations. And it's obviously a very easy one. It's a gimme. And I know everybody is going to get it. All right. So let's see. 8, 4, 2, and get 2. How much simpler can we get it? 39 of you have gotten it, and all of you gave the same answer, 8 minus 4 minus 2. I guess there are 4 possible choices, but you all chose to give the same most popular answer. You're all in sync. And let's move on to question 2. 14, 6, and 3. The desired result is 24. All 4 operators in play, 2 possible solutions. And here we go. Let's see how we solve this. Everybody's claiming that they've got it. What's poppin'? And Ratna MJ, And let's see. Two out of both solutions are given. The most popular solution, of course, is 14 minus 6 is 8. 8 times 3 is 24. Just keep these things in mind when you're playing the most distinct or the most popular versions of the game. This is how your cohorts are thinking, right? Your competition is thinking. So be aware of it as you're solving in the other modes. Let's go take a look at question number 3. 13, 12, 10. 26 is the desired result. All four operators in play, just two possible solutions. And the thing that I was talking about was just, pattern recognition. In addition to just addition, subtraction, this simple number-based operations, you're also looking at what patterns are there, and that helps you in real life. So both answers are given, of course. It's 13 times 12 minus 10, which is 26. 24 of you have given that, and the other 9 of you gave 12 minus 10, which is 2 times 13. That's a correct answer, of course. And in this game, that gets you equal number of points as the most popular answer. But just be aware what the others are doing. Question 4. Desired result is 6. It's a decimal game, but it's an integer as a desired result. 2.3, 8.3, 8.9, and 4.8. 90 possible solutions, and all of them are equally valuable. So how good do you get at pattern recognition? Makes a lot of difference in a lot of fields, right? So see whether you can spot the patterns and stay ahead of it. Most of the time, that helps you. 32 of you have given the correct answer. 5 out of 90 solutions given. 4.8 plus 2.3 is 8.1 minus 9.4 minus 8.3. 7.1 minus 1.1 is 6. So you've got 25 of you have given that answer. So here we go. 32 of you moving on to question 5. 7, 8, 16, 5, and then 79 is the desired result. All four operators in play, 16 possible solutions. Player game changes as per game type. Sujata, I don't understand what you're saying. Please elaborate if you are looking for a response from me. 26 of you have given the correct answer. It's 16 times 5 is 80. 80 minus 8 minus 7 is 1, so you get 79. 26 of you have gotten it correctly. As we move on to question number 6. 16, 3, 19, and 6. 16, 3, 19, and 6 for a desired result of 73. 30 possible solutions, and all four operators in play. Is 73 a prime number? I may have asked this before. And if so, you have to get it not just by straight multiplication of a small and a big number. You have to do something else. And I know you have done it. And let's see, 22 of you have done that. 16 times 3 is 48 plus 19 plus 6 gets you 73. 9 of you have given that answer, closely followed by 16 times 3 plus 19 plus 6, together. So great job. And yeah, in most popular or most distinct, you have to play differently, right? Yeah. So you got to pay attention. You got to pay attention to what they're doing. I agree. It's kind of, it's not a straight addition. It's not a perfect science. You're only trying to gauge what everybody else is doing. Your point is well taken, Sujata. You are absolutely right. There is no way to exactly predict based on the elimination match because they change their strategies. So you got to roll with the punches. So good observation. And let's go take a look at question number 7. Fractions. We need to get 3/4. 7/4, 3/8, and 7/8. How do you get 3/4 with using all four operators with 8 possible solutions? So 3/4 is what I'm looking for. How do you get 7/4, 3/8, and 7/8 to yield it? Sanjay is claiming that he got it, and I'm sure a lot of others have gotten it. So let's take a look as to what you're doing. 17 of you. We're slowly whittling it down. 7/4 divided by 7/8 gets you, and then times 3/8. And you also change your mode for more points. Sure. Yeah, it's it is. That's the beauty of the game, that you have to understand and be dynamic. It's not just fixed. It's not just 1 + 2 = 3, right? That any kindergartner or a first or second grader will solve it in her sleep. But what is everybody else is going to do? And what do I do to get more points? Question number 8 is right here. 16, 5, 19, and 4. Desired result is 87. And I know that's not a prime number. And all 4 operators are in play, 16 possible solutions. And how do you get 87 from these 4 numbers? I'm just trying to rapidly go through and see whether we can come up with. I think the solution just flashed across for me. Is it 4 times 19? Is that the key? And then you get 11 somewhere else. Yeah, the most popular solution happens to be 19 times 4 plus 16 minus 5 to get 87. Great job, everyone. We've got 17 of you still. Moving on to question number 9, algebra, the final question. X plus 2y, 5x minus y, 14. Desired result is 3. I'm glad we don't have x's matching or y's matching. What values are you going to substitute to get 3? I'm just trying to, we've got, x and y in both x plus 2y and 5x minus y. So I wonder how you solve it. Do you just randomly put some numbers and then try to come up with the answer? Or do you solve it algebraically? I'm curious to know what you're doing. 1, 5 is what Sujata says. Strange thinker claims victory. And that's the answer I have, Sujata, also. Maybe you're looking at my answers here. 1 and 5 are the answers. Ratna MJ also says 1 and 5. So I know that means you're probably solving it algebraically, right? And Shah says, please exclude algebra. Sure, maybe we'll do that in one of these games coming up, Shah. And 15 winners. Let's go take a look at who they are. 33 cents a piece for 15 of you. And the winners are in no particular order because you're all number royals for the day. You know me, Sujata, Kausalya, Ratna MJ, Jeffy, Hanok, Strange Thinker, Birdie Flurry, Butch, North Star 90, Scrappy 434, What's Poppin', Toast, Hanto, and Cash Nasty. Congratulations to everybody who played. We've got another match coming up in a few minutes, about 15-20 minutes. And please join us for that show. I thank you all for playing. And remember, without numbers, you're not even a 0. Be a hero. Play Number Royale every day. This is Saktivel signing off, saying bye for now.